ba yan? Ano naman nangyari doon? Ba't naman? What's wrong with that? Yeah. Anong nangyari, baby Casper? What is wrong with this? Ano ba yan? Nasira pa yung holder. Why it's happening this one? Tulak. Ay, kasamok. Oy! Hello! Hello! Naputo lang aking holder. Na binili lang sa... Kaya naging pandak na ang... Kaya naging pandak na ang aking ano. Thank you. Shadow. Ano ba to? Ayusin ko pa. Naputol po ang ating holder. Naging pandak na lang po siya. What you prefer wearing, tongs or hipster? Triambak pad ni hipster? Tongs? What is tong? No tong. I know that tong. Tong.